everybody, welcome back. This is a bit of a short but serious one today. If you've known me and the channel for long enough, you'll know about my mate Dutchy. Now, Dutchy has had a bit of an incident fairly recently, back in September, riding along behind a four-wheel drive ute, and in the back of that ute were four wheels and tyres mounted, and the bloody ute hit a bit of a bump, and the tyres became the second kid on the trampoline, and they exited the building and headed straight for our man Dutchy. I'll let him talk you through his experience with that.
Okay, I was heading home after a quiet ride round through mud walls, then back down Midlands Highway, and came back through Brighton. I was heading to Middle Tea Tree Road. I turned onto Middle Tea Tree Road, past Zudu, and as I came round the bend down the bottom, it sort of straightened out, and there was a ute in front of me. Next minute, I saw two tyres and wheels bounce out of the back of it, and I thought to myself, well, here we go. I was going to get pushed to the left, but for some reason I didn't. I checked to the right, it was clear, so I counter steered, pushed her out to the right hand side, and ducked a little bit. One of the tyres went just above my head, or the wheels, and the other one came up, flicked up underneath the left hand bar and bent the bar up. I caught the bike as it came up, it pushed the bike up in the air, caught it, let it shimmer a bit, and then applied the brake and put it back down, and then pulled up. I really didn't have a lot of time to think about what I'd done. I think a lot of it was muscle memory and experience, and a hell of a lot of luck. The guy was completely beside himself. I thought he was going to have a heart attack on me, and we discussed it on the side of the road. I told him he owed me a new set of bars, and then I went home, and it wasn't until later that night I started pinging off the walls. But it was a close one, but it's motorcycling, and that's what we do. Every time you go out the road, you don't expect to come home. And it's just another day on a bike. That's it.
So I guess that is a bit of a warning to us all. Now, the guy who owned the ute didn't tie those things on. His son tied them on, and he didn't run the strap through the wheels, he just put it across the back of the wheels. It was completely inadequate, so it's very important to check your load. You're responsible for your load, and it's also very bloody timely reminder to stay on top of your game in terms of your riding skill. Anyway, that'll do me for now. Oh, and yeah, I was fighting a losing battle. Catch you next time. Bye for now.